Have you ever wondered how much of our planet's biodiversity we are truly able to preserve? It's a question that carries weight, as conservation and biodiversity are critical to the health of our planet. From the tiniest microorganisms to the largest land mammals, every species plays a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. The urgency to preserve this intricate web of life has never been greater. One place that has been making significant strides in this area is the Area de Conservación Guanacaste. Established in the 1970s, the Area de Conservación Guanacaste has a rich history of conservation efforts. As we delve into the roots of this remarkable sanctuary, we uncover a narrative of perseverance, vision, and a profound respect for nature's intricate web of life. In the decade marked by the rise of environmental awareness worldwide, the Area de Conservación Guanacaste, or ACG, sprouted in the heart of Costa Rica. Its seed was sown by visionaries who foresaw the dire necessity to safeguard the region's staggering biodiversity. Their initial goal was simple yet ambitious: to preserve and protect the unique ecosystems that thrived in this part of the world. To achieve this, they took on a Herculean task of not just conserving the existing habitats, but also of rehabilitating degraded areas. Their efforts were geared toward creating a haven for a myriad of species, from the minuscule insects to the majestic jaguars, from the vibrant orchids to the towering mahogany trees. Every inch of land, every droplet of water, and every gust of wind in the ACG was seen as an integral part of the grand tapestry of life. Early conservation efforts included the establishment of protective zones, rigorous scientific research, and community engagement. The pioneers understood the importance of grounding their work in sound science and involving local communities in their mission. This holistic approach was instrumental in laying a solid foundation for the conservation area. The ACG also saw some of the first instances of reforestation in the region. A project that began with a handful of seeds has now blossomed into a lush, green landscape teeming with life. This restoration work has demonstrated the resilience of nature when given a chance to rebound. In the face of challenges and setbacks, the ACG's commitment to its original objectives has never wavered. Its history is a testament to the power of dedicated conservation efforts and the transformative impact they can have on our natural world. And over the years, this conservation area has grown and evolved to become a beacon of hope for biodiversity. Today, the Area de Conservación Guanacaste spans over 340,000 acres, making it a vital refuge for a diverse range of species. This massive stretch of land, located in the northwestern part of Costa Rica, is more than just a vast expanse of wilderness. It's a living, breathing testament to the power of conservation and the preservation of biodiversity. From the towering heights of the Cordillera de Guanacaste and Cordillera de Tilaran mountain ranges to the depths of its rich marine areas, this conservation region is a sanctuary for a myriad of life forms. Here, the jaguars roam freely, the tapirs trudge along the riverbanks, and the scarlet macaws paint the sky with their vibrant colors. But it's more than just a refuge for the majestic, it's also home to the diminutive yet equally important species. The leafcutter ants orchestrating their daily march, the poison dart frogs with their vivid hues warning predators of their toxicity, and let's not forget the world's largest species of moth, the Hercules moth, fluttering through the night. The Area de Conservación Guanacaste is a kaleidoscope of life, teeming with over 700 species of birds, more than 200 types of mammals, and an impressive array of reptiles, amphibians, and insects. And that's not even bringing up the marine life, where whales, dolphins, and countless species of fish add their own notes to the symphony of biodiversity. But it doesn't stop at fauna. The flora in this conservation area is just as diverse and crucial. From the towering Guanacaste trees, Costa Rica's national tree, to the delicate orchids that dot the landscape, each plant plays a role in maintaining this complex ecosystem. This area is a testament to the power of conservation. It's a living library of biodiversity, a beacon of hope in a world grappling with environmental challenges. It demonstrates that with concerted effort, we can provide a safe haven for species, preserve biodiversity, and ensure the survival of our planet's precious ecosystems. But what makes it so successful in its conservation efforts? The Area de Conservación Guanacaste employs a variety of strategies to ensure the preservation of biodiversity. Located in the heartland of Costa Rica, this conservation area has become a beacon of hope for the world, showcasing how effective management and innovative strategies can help safeguard our planet's biodiversity. One of the key strategies employed here is the active involvement of local communities. The park authorities understand the importance of fostering a sense of ownership and stewardship among the people living in and around these conservation areas. By involving them in the conservation efforts, they ensure that the local population appreciates the value of the biodiversity they're surrounded by. This approach creates a symbiotic relationship between the people and the environment, where the survival and prosperity of one depend on the other. Complementing this community-based approach is the commitment to scientific research. The Area de Conservación Guanacaste is home to a myriad of species, many of which are unique to this region. To better understand these species and their roles within the ecosystem, ongoing research is conducted. This research helps to inform management strategies, ensuring that each species, no matter how small, is given the necessary protection and care. But the strategies don't just stop there. Recognizing the importance of forests in maintaining biodiversity, there's a significant emphasis on reforestation efforts within the park. Trees are the lungs of our planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, providing a home for countless species and maintaining the health of our soil. By planting new trees and protecting existing ones, the park is ensuring the survival and growth of the diverse species that call it home. Moreover, the park is also a pioneer in using technology for conservation. From satellite imagery to track changes in the landscape to the use of drones for monitoring wildlife, technology is being harnessed to make conservation more effective and efficient. In addition, education plays a vital role in the park's strategies. Through workshops, seminars, and other educational programs, the park aims to raise awareness about the importance of biodiversity and the urgent need for its conservation. The Area de Conservación Guanacaste's strategies are not set in stone, but rather, they are evolving, adapting to the changing needs of the environment and the species within it. This flexible, dynamic approach is what makes their strategies so successful. These efforts have not only preserved biodiversity but also enhanced it, making this conservation area a model for others around the world. Indeed, the Area de Conservación Guanacaste serves as a shining example, a beacon of hope, showing the world what's possible when we commit to preserving and enhancing our planet's biodiversity. The Area de Conservación Guanacaste serves as a reminder of what can be achieved with dedicated conservation efforts. It's a beacon of hope in a world where nature is often sidelined for development. This remarkable park in Costa Rica has made a huge impact, not just on the local environment, but on the global stage as well. The area's recognition as a UNESCO World Heritage Site is no small feat. This prestigious title is reserved for places of special cultural or physical significance. And the Area de Conservación Guanacaste certainly fits the bill. It's home to an astonishing range of biodiversity, from towering trees to tiny insects, each playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. This recognition by UNESCO has not only increased awareness about the area, but has also highlighted the importance of conservation. It's a powerful reminder of what we stand to lose if we don't take care of our planet. But the impact of the Area de Conservación Guanacaste extends beyond accolades. The park serves as an outdoor classroom where researchers and students can study nature in its purest form. It's a living laboratory, providing invaluable insight into the workings of our world. And then there's the effect on local communities. They've seen firsthand the benefits of conservation, not just in terms of preserving their natural heritage, but also through job creation and tourism. As for the future, the Area de Conservación Guanacaste will continue to be a beacon for conservation. Efforts to protect and restore the park will persist, with an emphasis on maintaining biodiversity and combating climate change. This means we'll continue to see a ripple effect, where the benefits of conservation extend far beyond the park's borders. The park's success story serves as an inspiration, a call to arms for other regions to follow suit. For in the quest to preserve our planet, every effort counts. No act of conservation is too small. As we look to the future, the Area de Conservación Guanacaste stands as a testament to the power of conservation and the importance of biodiversity. It's a shining example of what can be achieved when we put nature first. The Area de Conservación Guanacaste is more than just a conservation area, it's a symbol of hope for our planet. Let's remember the key points we've discussed. The roots of conservation in this area run deep, reflecting a rich history of environmental stewardship. The significance of the Area de Conservación Guanacaste lies not only in its vast biodiversity but also in its role as a living laboratory for scientific research. The strategies for success here are diverse and dynamic, involving a blend of community involvement, research, and sustainable practices. The impact of this conservation area is far-reaching, shaping the future of our planet by preserving its precious ecosystems. And the future of conservation? It's in our hands. We have the power to make a difference, to ensure that places like the Area de Conservación Guanacaste continue to thrive. So next time you think about conservation and biodiversity, remember the Area de Conservación Guanacaste and consider what you can do to make a difference.